Hello, my name is Jose, and I'm here at One Veg World Pasadena. One Veg World Pasadena was established by a group of friends who believe that the vegan diet and living green is the best thing for the planet, the best thing for the animals, and the best thing for just overall health. Here we have the Southwestern quinoa salad. It's our unique take on the bold flavors of the American Southwest. The salad itself, it's a very light, refreshing salad. The quinoa mix of it consists of black beans, sweet corn, onions, cilantro, red bell peppers. It's a really light salad. It's really good with its tangy Italian vinaigrette, and it's a very refreshing salad for the hot days. So here we have the jackfruit carnita tacos. Coming from a Hispanic background, I always grew up with the flavors of carnitas, and that was a unique flavor that I thought I would miss when I turned vegan. Our carnitas is actually made from young jackfruit, and I'd say the flavor is pretty spot on. It's just a corn tortilla, green cabbage, salsa, avocado, and sriracha mayo. It's very satisfying and it's very filling, and on a hot day it's also very ideal with a side salad. So here we have the Autocheck Pesto pizza. It's the most popular pizza that we have on our menu. It consists of our house-made garlic pesto sauce, which I think is very spot on. It's not too garlicky, but it's very flavorful. The pizza dough is my favorite part of the pizza because it's very fluffy, it's very satisfying, and it's very filling. Here we have the One Veg World Burger, which is the star of the whole restaurant. This is by far the most popular item on our menu. The One Veg World patty is very, very flavorful. It's not too soft, it's not too firm, and it is packed with flavor. It actually won the Battle of the Burgers in LA Times, and that competition also offered non-vegan burgers. That says something about our patty, that it's very popular and it's very good. So in conclusion, we try to offer a very eclectic international menu that are typically not vegan in most situations, and we make them vegan and we make them good. We also offer a very extensive full breakfast menu, Saturday and Sunday. We also offer catering, and we deliver via Uber, DoorDash, and Grubhub. So if you have a chance, please stop by.